Presenting Noise newly launched Twist Bluetooth calling smartwatch in the color space blue. It is also available in the colors jet black, rose pink, rose wine and silver gray. Featuring a vibrant round display and a stylish metallic finish, the smartwatch offers a premium on-screen experience. Choose from 100+ watch faces let you swap into a new background every day. Stay protected from splashes, dust and moisture at all times with IP68 water resistance. Breeze through an entire week without charging with up to 7 days of battery life. Take better care of your daily health with a series of health monitoring tools: blood oxygen monitor, sleep monitor, 24/7 heart rate monitor, stress measurement, breathe practice and female cycle tracker. Indulge in the routine of your preference with 100 sports modes to choose from. Hassle-free pairing, stable connectivity and lower battery consumption thanks to Tru Sync. You can also manage calls directly from your wrist. Access your call logs, make calls from the dial pad and save up to 10 favorite contacts.